Basecamp Enterprise Marketing Suite App. The pros, the cons. Basecamp Enterprise Marketing Suite app is built to streamline sales and marketing operations, but how does it perform in a large enterprise environment? On the positive side, Basecamp provides a centralized hub for managing leads, tracking sales performance, and automating marketing tasks. The surprising truth is that enterprises can visualize sales pipelines, forecast revenue, and automate follow-ups, which significantly reduces administrative work. Its analytics and reporting tools give real-time insights into customer interactions, helping teams make smarter decisions. Integration with popular platforms like Gmail, Outlook, and marketing automation tools enhances overall efficiency. However, there are limitations. Most people get this wrong. They expect Basecamp to replace all marketing automation software. Eilert excels at sales management and basic marketing workflows. Advanced marketing campaigns may require additional tools. Some users report a learning curve when customizing dashboards or automations, and the cost can increase quickly as teams scale. In conclusion, Basecamp Enterprise Marketing Suite app is ideal for enterprises looking to centralize sales and streamline marketing operations. Its strengths lie in automation, analytics, and pipeline visibility, providing teams with actionable insights and efficiency gains. When paired with specialized marketing platforms for complex campaigns, Basecamp can become a robust component of an enterprise's overall sales and marketing strategy.